Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. Despite local speculations, the EURUSD pair is moving within the limits of the peak of the upward cycle, with the 1.1200 level acting as resistance. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI technical indicator moves in the buyer's area of 5070, indicating a prevailing bullish sentiment among market participants. Regarding the alligator indicator on the same time frame, the moving average lines are directed upward, corresponding to the main trend correction. For the next phase of growth, the quote needs to stabilize above the 1.1200 mark throughout the day. In this scenario, the high set in July 2023, which is the 1.1276 level, is highly probable to be updated. Otherwise, we may experience some choppy fluctuations around the current values. The complex indicator analysis in the short term and intraday periods indicates a pullback. There are pivot points as a lifestyle. Evangelos Poulakis explains how to trade GBPUSD currency pair. As the week is coming to an end, the market is still struggling to decide on the 1.3400 level. A breakout of this level will pave the way for new bullish prospects, potentially driving the price toward the next psychological resistance at 1.3500. A rejection will bring the price back to the previous level of 1.3300, followed by testing the supports of the daily Ichimoku cross 1.3289, 1.3217 and 1.3166. Let's wait for the week's close to see which trading force secures the advantage, though uncertainty may prevail at this stage. On the lower timeframes, the market is descending toward key support levels, located today at 1.3385 central pivot level and 1.3355 weekly long-term trend. Control of the trend provides the primary advantage. Additional intraday reference points are the classic pivot levels, meaning an upward move would pass through resistance 1.3459, 1.3506 and 3580, while a downward move would go through supports 1.3338, 1.3264 and 3217. And finally, here is Laurie Bailey with AUDUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. The Australian dollar has successfully consolidated above the 0.6827 level, and the price now has little distance left to reach the target level of 0.6933. Once it surpasses this level, it could reach the 0.7014, with further growth possible up to 0.7120. The Marlin oscillator has slowed its growth, but may accelerate along with the price and move into the overbought zone. The weak upward angle of the MACD line determines the challenge for further growth. Likely the price will not be able to overcome the 0.6933 level on the first attempt. On the 4-hour chart, the angle of the MACD line no longer appears weak, but the price may test this line before bouncing off it to continue its growth with renewed strength. The support level is 0.6827. Marlin has entered the uptrend territory. The cautious growth continues. That's all for today. Wish you best of luck.